This is Jill, and she called the Hunter SuperTex. Jill was instantly impressed by the professionalism and how the comfort advisor put on shoe covers before entering her home. After a brief visit and asking her about the air quality concerns in her home, he went straight to work. The SuperTech process involves filling out a perfect home estimate checklist. This ensures nothing is missed. He measured each room of the home to ensure the proper sizing of the new system. He checked the air supply vents and air returns for proper sizing to make sure each room was getting enough air to keep each area comfortable and eliminate those hot and cold spots Jill had mentioned. The SuperTech also checked the ductwork in the attic to ensure that no air was leaking out so not to waste energy. In fact, 90% of comfort systems are installed with an energy problem. Common issues are improper airflow, incorrect refrigerant charge, duct leakage, and incorrectly sized systems. With the Hunter SuperTex, you will be in the 10% that doesn't. Any issues he found, he also made sure Jill was informed about. After doing a complete inspection and analysis of her home, the SuperTech went over different options with Jill. She was super impressed by his knowledge of the indoor air quality products that would make her home healthier and more comfortable for her family. Unlike the other companies who had been out in the past, the Comfort Advisor took time to explain in detail the process for replacing the heating and cooling system and how the SuperTech installation process worked. He reviewed the SuperTech 5-star guarantee that is one of the best in the industry. He answered all of Jill's questions, including going over the financing options. Jill was so impressed she didn't want to wait any longer and booked her install for the very next day. The SuperTechs keep a fully stocked warehouse on site to guarantee they have the parts and materials available to serve you well. No worries about having to wait on equipment to come from Oklahoma City or Dallas. We have it right here. With the state-of-the-art dispatching software, you'll be notified in advance when the SuperTechs are on their way. When the installers arrived at Jill's home to begin replacing her old system with a new high-efficient heating and cooling system, she noticed, just like the Comfort Advisor, the install team also wore shoe covers. Again, Jill was impressed that they were so considerate for her home and her clean floors. The installers walked through the home with Jill and made sure they knew where everything was located that they would be working on, and asked her if she had any special concerns before they began the job. Once they had located everything, the SuperTech installers got right to work. Working together like a well-oiled machine, the install team worked efficiently and without delay. They can do this due to the training and systems followed in the SuperTech Picture Perfect Installation Guide. The guide has strict standards that must be reviewed with management that they were upheld by sending pictures of the critical elements in the install to a quality manager. They had Jill's old worn-out system removed and her new high-efficiency system installed before the kids got home from school. Once complete, a complete walkthrough is performed to make sure there are no concerns and that Jill's comfortable with the new operating controls. Jill was so happy that she called the Hunter SuperTex, she just wished she had done it sooner. Her energy savings almost covered the low monthly payment of the new system. Now her family is comfortable, healthier, and saving money on their utility bills. If you want the same quality experience like Jill had, call the Hunter SuperTex today.